Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install Instagram on your PC and on your laptop. Now, from your laptop here, you want to go to the search bar down here and you want to find Microsoft Store. If you can't find it, just type in Microsoft Store. It should autocomplete for you. Click on Microsoft Store like this. Wait for it to load. Now on here, go to the upper search bar and then type in Instagram. On Instagram, you'll see it'll automatically show up here. Click on it, Instagram. And then in here, I already have it installed, so it'll say open, but for you, it might say install. Just click on install. You can see here that it's basically the same app, but it's just on laptop. You can see it's stretched out. So it's like as if you're showing Instagram on a tablet or something like that. But once you install it, just click on open. There you go. You can see I have basically Instagram on laptop like this. If you like this video and you find it useful, please consider liking and subscribing.